Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to activate Airtel SIM card. Firstly, launch the Airalo app on your phone and navigate to My eSIMs from the main menu. Tap on the eSIM you want to install, then tap View Instructions and choose Direct Installation. Tap Install eSIM to begin the process. Now select Next to move through the step-by-step guide and continue twice to confirm the installation. Wait for a few minutes on your eSIM to activate, and once activated, tap Done. Tap Secondary, then enter Airalo or a custom label. Tap Done and then Continue. Choose your primary SIM for calls and texts, then tap Continue. Then choose your primary eSIM for iMessage and FaceTime, then tap Continue. Choose Airalo Esim as default for mobile data, then turn off Allow Cellular Data Switching to avoid unwanted charges, then tap Continue to finalize the setup. Your eSIM is now installed. You can begin using it for mobile data while traveling or in your selected region. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.